guys, Chef Tyler Kelley with Emerald Plate Experience, and I'm up here at Annie's house, Sustain Away. As you can see, I'm about to go play in this garden though, get some fresh ingredients, and meet you at the kitchen. Let's go.
Hi, I'm Sylvia Palmer here at Annie's house. I'd like to share with you some historical facts. Nicholtown was a self-sustaining African-American community, and the families here had to provide for themselves all the necessities of living: food, shelter, clothing, and business services to make their life better.